Alright, so we're going to be doing the skill challenge 3.5.1. And let me just get set up here. Alright, so just go ahead and read through the instructions. And then task 1, it says test the repair and test the typology. So add a PC with the display name 1B. So you go down here and devices, PC, just add it in there. I'm going to put PC space. Alright, so you type in 1B. And it says configure it to the following settings. So you go in here, configure, and they want you to put a gateway, a DNS, an IP address, and a default subnet mask. So your gateway is gonna be right here, and I'm just gonna copy. Copy and paste like that, and then DNS server. There you go. So you go to fast internet 0, IP address, and you just want to type it in, or I'm copying and pasting, just goes a lot faster. And then your subnet mask, it usually does it automatically because of the IP address. So by this, when you get to this step, you should notice down here completion 36%. If you don't have that, that means you've done something wrong. So it's always nice to have that because you don't have to you know when you messed up, so you can go back right then and there. All right, so you go out of here, and it says connect PC1B to the fast internet 0/2 port on the central switch. So we're gonna go down here, click on cables, straight through cable, and then you click on the PC, fast internet, and then click on the central switch, and they want to connect it to number 2, fast internet number 2. All right. Now it says connect the Eagle server to the fast internet 00 port on the R1 ISP router. So you do the same thing. Go down here, click on connections, grab a straight through cable, click on fast internet, click on the R1 ISP, and you click 00 like that. And if you notice, we got 63% done. So you always want to be checking that. If it doesn't move, that means you're doing something wrong. Where were we? Alright, it says turn on web services on the server by enabling HTTP. So let's go do that. Services, HTTP, turn it on. And it says enable DNS services and add a DNS entry. So you go down to DNS, turn it on, and then for the name, they want us to put Eagle dash server dot example.com. And for the IP address, it'll be, says that's enable DNS services and add a DNS entry that associates eagle-server.example.com with the IP address of the server. Okay, so the IP address or the address it's going to be the one for the server. So to find this, you go to fast internet in configure tab, and you copy this, go back to services, and then just paste it in, and then you click add. Alright, so there it is. It went through, and if you notice, we got 81% done now, so almost there. Now it says verify your work using feedback from the check results button on the assessment tab. So we're going to exit out of here, and if you see here it says check results, click on that. You go to assessment items, and you see these green check marks. That's what you want to see right there. Alright, and then it looks like we messed up right here on the address and the type. So we're going to go back and we're going to fix that. So eagleserver.com, we got the wrong address. So let's see if we can find out what we did wrong. Oh, right there, I misspelled server. I missed an R. So go ahead and do that again. Alright, check results. Alright, looks like we got it this time. So now it says something in the ISP um router is not right. So close this. Alright, so I found out what I did wrong. To connect this server and the R1 ISP, you have to use a crossover cable, not a straight through cable. So if you go here, check results, everything checks out now. Alright, so we're gonna go close. Let me fix this. Now they want us to add a simple PDU, and to do this you go over here to like the mail icon, you click on it, and you want it from PC1 to Eagle Server. So you click on PC1, then you click on Eagle Server, and then they said it will show as failed. This is because the APR. So it says when you first issue this PDU, it's gonna show up as failed. So what you want to do is click capture forward, and then it'll start going. What you want to do is click auto capture / play, and then just let it load. Alright, so now it says open a web browser from the desktop of the PC1. Type in eagleserver.com. So click on the desktop, click desktop tab, click web browser, and type in eagle server.example.com. Click go. Then click capture forward. And that's it.